Navigation in Salesforce. Once you logged in into the Salesforce, there is an option here with main tabs available in the Salesforce. By selecting these options, the system will automatically open the screen for you. They are hyperlinks options. First time when you logged into the Salesforce, and every other time as well, when you logged in, the system will automatically take you to the home page. We are now in the home page screen, and we can see that this screen is set up based on 3 different sections here, starting with calendar section on the top. Calendar section will display any events that are scheduled for the next 7 days. So if you have any scheduled meetings, they will be listed here within this section. If you have set up any meetings and requested certain users to join you for the meeting, they will be in Request Meetings option within the calendar section. Having this option will allow you to easily manage your events, and you would be able to search by date as well within this option. Second section on the home page is a dashboard. You will be able from here to view 2 main dashboards available, which is opportunity by stage and all-time leads by month. By clicking on the refresh option, it will refresh the data within the dashboards. The first dashboard will display all opportunities that you have access to by stage. So we can see here in this example, we have proposal sent, negotiation stage, and lease signed within one dashboard. So 2 negotiation, 5 proposals sent, and 1 lease signed at the moment. All time leads by months will be all leads records that you have access to, and then by months to see how they are progressing. So currently we have 8 leads in September and 4 in October. As a reference, on the right hand side, you also have a number of viewings by property and unit as of today. So from here you can easily see the snapshot of your viewings that you have at the moment. Going further down within the home page, the last part is My Tasks, and within this section you can see any tasks allocated to you with the actual subject. So if the task is completed, you will be able to see there is a cross here available against the task. By clicking on the subject of the task, you will be taken directly into the new screen displaying the task details. So from here you can actually view the information of that task. So that is the home page of the Salesforce that you will see first. Going next, you have leads and opportunities. So by clicking on any of these options, the system will actually take you directly into those records. There will be another video explaining the definitions of leads and opportunities. The same for contacts and accounts. One thing to mention here, you will need to check your view options available on the front screen, because the system will automatically display recent records first, as we see here on the accounts. In order to view all records, you will need to select View All Accounts in this example, and then select Go. The system will now display all accounts that you have access to, and you can now see all the records here. There are several pages available here. To easily search for any of the records within the system, you can actually click on the first letter of the name of that record, like I have here, and the list of records starting with P, for example, will be displayed. System automatically display all records in the alphabetical order here. So the next options we have here is properties and units. Now these properties and units for leasing agents will be information only tabs. which means you will be able to go into those and view the information, but you won't be able to make any updates to properties or units. In this case, I have access to one property, so I can click on property name and the system will open the property record. From here, I can view the information on the property. What is the address of the property, type of building for the property, also where is property based, and who are the property agents for this property. If you are listed as one of the agents on the property, you will automatically have access to this property and units attached to the property. Unit section is further down, so here all the units available for this property. We can see the whole list by clicking on Go to List 32, and these are now all the units for the property. You will also notice that the system has now automatically taken us back to the units. So there are two ways to view your units. You can go into the actual property tab, select the property, and then go down to the unit section where you can see the unit, click on the unit name and open the unit record. Or you can go into the units itself and then you can search for the units from the unit page. From here we can select and then open the record that you would like to view. On the unit page, you will have basic unit information, when this unit has started, what is the building reference for the unit, and then if there are any viewings on the unit. So from here, by selecting View It Number, you can actually see the viewing details for that unit. So for example, when was the viewing happening? So in this case, happened on 22nd of October. Are there any tasks or activities attached to this viewing? So at the moment we don't have any follow-up tasks, but you can select and see if there are any. And then any notes and attachments with regards to this viewing. So again, to see the viewing, you will need to go into the unit record first, and from there you can actually see the viewing attached to that unit. Dashboards and reports are another two options available for selection here. Just like on the home page, by selecting option Dashboards, you can see all available dashboards that you have for you. Here we have the ones that we have explained earlier. Selecting option Reports, you will be able to see there are two folders there, Brookfield External and Brookfield Reports. By selecting Brookfield Reports, you can actually see a list of all available reports that you have access to. From here, you can select any of the reports that you would like to view, and the system will display the actual reports here. There are many hyperlinks within the report, so you should be able to click on any of the hyperlinks. So for example, if you want to view some more information with regards to the account displayed in this report, you can click on the account name and the system will take you back into the account record where you can check all the account details. So this video completes the explanation on how to navigate in the Salesforce system.